What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nana Puffin here. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post. In today's video, we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day baking. Pretty sure a lot of people have done this by now, maybe not, but I'm already stoned, so that's a plus. But we're going to be making funfetti cupcakes, and we're going to decorate them with sprinkles, and we're also going to be doing strawberry chocolate dipped strawberries, and we're going to decorate them all cute, and we'll show you guys the process. So first, the funfetti. So I got the oven preheating already. You know that takes the longest. Strawberries. 4 cups of milk. And then 1/2 cup of oil. Now whisking time. Pretty much looking good. Now we pour up. Alright, I'm gonna clean the corners a little bit because it's pretty fucked. Alright guys, done with the cupcakes. Just waiting for the oven to be done preheating. While we wait, we're gonna start with the strawberry dipped chocolate. What are your guys' plans for Valentine's Day? Stay home or go out? Do you guys even have a couple? If you don't, just do this at home for yourself and your family. We got white chocolate and dark chocolate for 24 cupcakes is 19 to 23 minutes. So I'm gonna do a white chocolate and some milk chocolate, and then I'm gonna do another milk chocolate, and I'm gonna add some pink, well, some red food coloring so I can make it pink. And then the cupcake holders are so cute. Yeah, so I got the Great Value chocolate, so hopefully this works. First strawberry in. gonna be 5 each color. You want to add the sprinkles right away so they can actually stick. Okay, that looks good. Okay, these are going to be pink, so I'm going to add some of this. Good color. I would show you guys, but you gotta do this fast because this fucking chocolate cools off so quick.
Just set it down really quick and then put the sprinkles.
Yeah, just a little bit. Cute. I like the pink color. So far, this is how it looks, but I'm gonna drizzle some chocolate over it. Like, I'm gonna put that in a bag. Guys, look at how huge these motherfuckers came out. I think it'll be perfect, so you could add all the decoration on it. Alright, so now I'm just putting some chocolate in the bag.
The tiniest little piece.
Fuck. Ah! This
Burning.
is pretty hot.
Looks bomb.
I'm gonna try and do a heart. We're gonna do some chocolate ones, pink. This one's actually really nice to spread. This is the final product. I tried to spell love, but it's all fucked up. I'm no baker, but I like it. It looks pretty cute. Right now we're just waiting on the strawberries, waiting for them to cool off. But these are the cupcakes. Final product. Those ones are chocolate, frosting, chocolate. Alright guys, so this is the final product with the strawberries. These actually came out really, really good. I like it. Even though this chocolate wasn't the best. So I recommend actual melting chocolate rather than cookie chocolate, okay? Take note. But look how pretty though. Remember, you don't need to do anything for Valentine's Day. Just bake some stuff and enjoy yourself. We're finally done with the cupcakes and the strawberry chocolate dipped strawberries. So now it's time to blaze up. This joint's a little tight, so I'm gonna loosen it up. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed this baking video with me. I know it wasn't long enough, or like instructions and stuff like that. It was just for fun. Just a fun Valentine's baking video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I also hope you guys bake with me while watching this video. I hope you guys throw down some cupcakes or some chocolate dipped strawberries for Valentine's. You know, you could save money by making it yourself. I liked it. I enjoyed it. It was fun making the cupcakes and the strawberries and just getting creative. Okay, now we're gonna try the chocolate cupcake, which looks delicious. But now we first gotta take off the paper, if you know what I mean. Okay guys, cheers to the cupcake. The chocolate makes it taste really good. Yeah. Now let's try the regular frosting one. This is the E from the love. I spelled love, as you guys see on the clip. Shout out to bakers though, like real bakers that bake crazy ass shit. Honestly, I would recommend to use your chocolate melt, the one that you use for your strawberries. Put it on your cupcakes. I think it tastes way better with the chocolate than with the frosting. And I really feel like you guys would love the chocolate one, especially if you're stoned like I am. Fire, I tell you. I don't have my Valentine's nails yet until this weekend, so I can't show them off until next video. Also guys, don't forget to share me with your friends, family, anybody who enjoys smoking videos, because we're on the road to 200 subscribers and I'm really excited for that. Like I said, I have a stash and dash going on my I have a stash and dash going on my Snapchat. It's always down below. Also on my Instagram. So don't forget to go add me on those 2 social medias so you guys can keep up with the stash and dash once we hit 200 subscribers. I'm really excited for this stash and dash. It's gonna be pretty dope. If you guys don't know what a stash and dash is, just comment down below and I will respond to you. But pretty much a stash and dash is me leaving behind some goodies. Like I pretty much just stash them anywhere, wherever I'm at. Like I'm located in Colorado, so if you're located in Colorado, you're in luck. If you stayed tuned this long, I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting me. As always, I love you guys and I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button. So don't leave without subscribing because I'm watching you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I post again, and you'll never miss out of my videos. And don't forget to comment your favorite part. Which one was your favorite? Judge my baking, judge it, comment down below. If you're like, fuck that shit, looks disgusting, comment down below. Honestly, I thought I was gonna look super terrible, but it didn't turn out that bad. I actually did like the process and the ending, as you guys have seen. It was dope. I enjoyed this video. I enjoy making videos, and I did enjoy making video with my girlfriend. So if you guys want another one of those with me and my girlfriend, it'll be more if you guys want to invite my girlfriends over. And we'll do a baking video with you guys and get litty like a motherfucking titty, okay? Alright guys, so don't forget to stay motherfucking token and to always stay happy, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I'm pretty stoned, so see you guys on the next video. Peace out, guys.